If you are looking for filament that turns simple prints into eye-catching geometric displays, you need to check our Spectrum PLA Glitter series. This isn't just standard PLA, it's blended with high glitter particles that create a beautiful gloss effect. Look at this Hogwarts diorama. The best part? The glitter texture significantly reduces the visibility of layer lines on the side faces. It looks smooth, aesthetically pleasing, and requires barely any post-processing. Because the material is semi-transparent and it contains glitter, it plays beautifully with light. I printed this snowman with battery-powered tea light inside. And the diffusion is fantastic. It's perfect for interior design articles or decorative lamps. Speaking of lamps, here's a small shade printed in the vase mode. A cool trick with this material is that the more walls, the less visible the light will be. Thinner walls gives you more light, and thicker walls give you less light. Now let's talk specs. Despite the glitter, the filament is not abrasive, so you don't need a hardened nozzle. However, because of the particles, stick to the 0.4 mm nozzle to prevent clogging. It prints easily between 185 and 215 degrees Celsius with no shrinkage. The particles also increase the hardness and compression resistance of the print. Perfect for these 2026 New Year glasses. If you want semi-transparent surfaces to hide layer lines and look incredibly premium, give Spectrum PLA Glitter a try. That's all for today, thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Remember that we have discount code for all YouTube viewers. Use Spectrum YT10 to get 10% off on everything.